Enterprise drones are on a completely different level, but why exactly is that? In this video, we're breaking down what enterprise drones are and the features that put them in a class of their own. Let's get into it. Actually, let's fly into it. Come on. First off, what the heck even is an enterprise drone? At its core, an enterprise drone is built for professional, commercial, and sometimes government work as well, which I guess technically it's professional as well. These drones are designed for mission-critical operations like search and rescue, surveying and mapping, infrastructure inspections, and disaster response. Pretty serious stuff. You guys already know I like to capture epic sunsets as much as the next person, but enterprise drones are really more so the workhorse drones, offering impressive durability, system redundancy, data privacy, specialized payloads, and real-world missions. Super serious. So what actually makes them different? Well, enterprise drones typically have stronger frames, higher weather resistance, and better IP ratings. They're meant to operate in windy situations, some light rain, dust, and extreme temperatures. And then there's redundancy as well. Some have dual batteries, backup systems, advanced GPS modules for improved positioning accuracy. So if one system fails, there's a backup system ready to take over. And that kind of reliability matters when you're flying over infrastructure or during an emergency response. Data transmission is often encrypted as well, so for law enforcement, for example, or government agencies, secure data is kind of a must. And many enterprise drones also have thermal cameras, multiple lenses for high-powered zoom, night vision, mapping sensors, and even laser rangefinders. That's sick. Flight performance is also more advanced with stronger flight times, better obstacle avoidance, and highly accurate autonomous flight planning like waypoint missions, grid mapping, and automated routes. So what exactly are enterprise drones used for? Well, search and rescue, firefighting, law enforcement, infrastructure inspections, construction site mapping, agricultural analysis, disaster response, and the list honestly goes on. So here's a good example. If a firefighter is looking for hidden spots in a burning structure, or maybe a search and rescue team is scanning a dense forest, well, these drones become crucial, and in some cases, they could save lives. And that brings us to the thermal capabilities. Thermal cameras change everything. These cameras can detect heat and identify hotspots, so they can help to locate a missing person since the human body stands out against the terrain. They can also help detect overheating electrical structures and even track wildlife. And what's really neat about these drones is they have different formats for detecting heat, so you can pick the one for your preference or your use case. And there's also ways to use both the normal camera as well as the thermal camera at the same time, which can really help for your flying. One major standout advantage enterprise drones bring to the table is their low light functions and night vision capability to pick out people and animals even in the dark. This Autel enterprise drone also has a auxiliary light that you can attach to the top, as well as a speaker, and honestly, I've been having way too much fun with the speaker. Somebody's got to take it away from me. Another tool that separates enterprise drones from hobby gear is the integrated laser rangefinder that this drone has, and this gives you exact distance data in real time when you're using it for inspecting a structure, flying near infrastructure, or even surveying land. And knowing that true distance to a surface or object can be extremely helpful. Instead of trying to estimate range based on images, the laser actively measures it for better accuracy. And I can think of so many different scenarios where you'd want to know exactly how far something is. Another huge advantage is the use of the telephoto cameras on these drones, so you can easily switch to the zoom camera and punch in tight from a safe distance, which lets you capture close-ups of bolts, cracks, welds, wires, loose hardware, or even people, of course. All right, this one is seriously cool though. One of the most powerful things that these enterprise drones can do, particularly this Matrice 4T, is the 3D capture for modeling. And what's really neat is it can be done basically in the remote itself. It's got orthomosaic mapping, which is where you fly a grid over an area and the drone software stitches hundreds or even thousands of overlapping images into one perfectly scaled map. Oblique capture is another layer of that, and instead of capturing straight down, the drone records the same area from different angles to bring together a full 3D model. This is one of those features that really transform these drones from just flying cameras, taking epic pictures of the sunset, which is still fun, into complete surveying and documentation tools. Another major feature with enterprise drones is RTK, which stands for Real-Time Kinematic Positioning. That's really, really fancy. Matt, what the heck does that even mean? You're probably thinking it. So we've got standard GPS on most consumer drones, which is accurate to within a few meters, which is totally fine for photography and general flying. But When you're mapping infrastructures and construction sites, or surveying land, or even inspecting different elements, I don't know, on the grid or something like that, well, a few meters of error may not cut it. And RTK changes that, and for the best accuracy, it uses a base station to provide real-time correction, bringing its accuracy to centimeter level. That means when it flies a repeatable route, it can hit the exact same flight path again and again. This can be really helpful for surveying and for construction teams, and it can also provide models that line up with real-world measurements. So who are these really for? Well, I talked about it a little bit before: first responders, construction and engineering firms, contractors, inspectors, surveyors, government agencies, really anyone who needs to collect some serious data from the sky. Enterprise drones are tools built to solve real-world challenges and make projects that used to take days of flights much more practical for drone operators. But let me know down in the comments if you have any questions on Enterprise drones, because I have been having so much fun with these drones, so I would love to hear from you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.